The way we see things is affected by what we know or what we believe. In the Middle Ages, when men believed in the physical existence of hell, the sight of fire must have meant something different from what it meant today. Nevertheless, the idea of hell owed a lot to the sight of fire consuming and ashes remaining, as well as to their experience of the pain of burns. When in love, the sight of beloved has completeness which no words and no embrace can match, a completeness which only the act of making love can temporarily accommodate. Yet this seeing which comes before words and can never be quite covered by them is not a question of mechanically reacting to stimuli. It can only be thought of in this way if one isolates a small part of the process which concerns the eye's retina. We only see what we look at. To look is an act of choice. As a result of this act, what we see is brought within our reach, though not necessarily within arm's reach. To touch something is to stimulate oneself in relation to it. Close your eyes, move around the room, and notice how the faculty of touch is like a static, limited form of sight. We never look at just one thing. We are always looking at the relation between things and ourselves. Our vision is continually active, continually moving, continually holding things in a circle around itself, constituting what is present to us as we are. Soon after we can see, we are aware that we can also be seen. The eye of the other combines with our own eye to make it fully credible that we are part of the visible world. If we accept that we can see that hill over there, we propose that that hill also can be seen. The reciprocal nature of vision is more fundamental than that of spoken dialogue, and often dialogue is an attempt to verbalize this, an attempt to explain how, either metaphorically or literally, you see things, and an attempt to discover how he sees things. Even a photograph, for photographs are not, as is often assumed, a mechanical record. Every time we look at a photograph, we are aware, however slightly, of what the photographer is selecting that site from an infinity of other possible sites. This is true even in the most casual family snapshot. The photographer's way of seeing is reflected in his choice of subject. The painter's way of seeing is reconstituted by the marks he makes on the canvas or paper. Yet, although every image embodies a way of seeing, our perception of appreciation of an image depends also on our way of seeing.